Troubleshooting an LG phone that won't turn on or off. If your LG phone is not powering on or off, there are a few troubleshooting steps that may help you resolve the issue. Here's what to do. Start by pressing and holding both the power button and the volume down button simultaneously for up to 30 seconds to see if the screen turns on. Then release both buttons. If this works, then the issue may be a software glitch or an application-based glitch. Be sure to keep your phone software current by accepting the periodic updates and keep all applications updated as well. Repeat the same step if the issue should reoccur. If the issue remains, if you have an older LG phone with a removable battery, try this. Remove the battery from the phone, wait 5 to 10 seconds, then reinsert the battery and try to turn the phone on by pressing and holding the power button for 5 to 10 seconds. Note that the newer LG phones have a built-in battery that cannot be removed. Another step is to try to charge the phone for 15 to 25 minutes, making sure that the battery symbol appears on the screen so that the phone has sufficient power before you attempt to turn it on. If this does not work, the next step is to check if the phone can charge. Ensure that there is nothing in the phone's charging port or the cable's USB port, such as dust, dirt, or lint. Then connect the cable securely to the charger and to the phone. Now attempt to charge the phone using a different wall socket that you know is working or a different charging venue. If the phone still does not charge, check if the charger and cable are working by trying to charge a different device. Note that USB charging cables are often known to malfunction. Lastly, make sure there are no accessories, such as cases or battery packs, covering your phone's sensors or pressing its buttons. At this point, if the phone is still not charging, there could be a problem with the phone circuitry or the battery. Please go to lgmobilerepair.com or call LG Customer Service to submit a repair authorization or RA to have your phone sent in to be inspected and repaired. For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the lg.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.